The two simple moves that I'm going to teach you today will blow your mind. They are so simple and so easy. I mean, sitting at home, beginner friendly, no equipment needed. That's what you need just to lose your this very area belly fat. The hanging belly fat, I know many of you have it and many of you have been complaining about it since long time. But today I thought, let me make a very interesting and easy video for all those who suffer from heavy abdominal region fat and who finally want to get rid of it by just doing two simple moves. These exercises are so simple, but for whatever reason, if you're not able to do it sitting on a floor, then you can easily do it sitting on your bed. Because these exercises are tried and tested on all those people who've joined my weight loss program, that is why I know the main reason why you have belly fat. It is your sedentary lifestyle. Of course, human body, a machine made by God, was also at one time necessary to do some kind of exercise. We have given up on all types of exercise. That is what is causing all these abdominal issues, be it your physical belly fat or your internal, be it your metabolism related issues like your diabetes, cholesterol, all these problems have started coming up. So please comment below if sedentary lifestyle is also your main reason for not being able to achieve a slim waist, because that's what I'm here to give you. These are simple, effective, so easy to do, just two simple moves which you can literally do in the comfort of your own home. What more do you want? You can do it once in the morning, once in the evening, and you're sure to get results. But before we do any exercise, we first have to get into the groove and start with the warm-up. It's a simple and easy warm-up. You just have to sit like this and put both your legs like this facing each other. And you have to come in the butterfly pose. You know, when I was really overweight, I wouldn't be able to bend my legs all the way down. It would remain at this very height. But slowly and slowly, when my hip muscles started stretching and the entire area started working well for me, I became fitter. That's when I could do the butterfly pose so easily. So please don't give up. It's absolutely normal if you're not able to do it properly, but just don't give up. The first simple move, you have to sit with your legs spread wider than your shoulder width apart. And your spine should be straight, your core should be tucked in tight. That's the muscle we are actually working on. And you have to do toe touches alternatively. But for whatever reason, if you're not able to reach out to your toe, then first reach out to your knee and then reach out to this very area. And then your toe. And it's very easy. You're going to feel a stretch all along this very area and your abdominal area, especially the side belly area, and especially this very central obesity area, which we are actually targeting at. Now let's do it together. Now we're done with the first move. Before we move on to the next move, again we are going to do the butterfly pose, for which our feet have to be tucked in as close as we can to our abdominal region. This will open up your thighs, your hips, even better for you to do the exercise. I hope you enjoyed the previous exercise. Don't forget to comment below if you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to continue doing this, the butterfly pose, with me. If you've heard of compound exercises, then today I'm going to teach you the master of all moves, sitting on the floor, which will target your belly, hip, thigh, the entire lower body region. It's called the Chakki Asana in yoga, and it's a fabulous exercise because it not just targets your belly area, but your entire area is covered in this. But the only thing you have to take care of is the posture and the breathing technique. The breathing is very, very simple. When you're going backwards, you have to inhale. When you're going forwards, you have to exhale. And the technique that we are going to follow is, first few rounds we will be doing it clockwise, and the next few rounds will be done anti-clockwise. Let me show you a sample. Now we are going to do it anti-clockwise.